Welcome all traders to their daily look ahead. This is where we take a look at gold, the dollar, and the mini NASDAQ to find out what types of trades we can take the following day. But before we dive into the charts, make sure to like and subscribe so that more people can enjoy this content. Welcome to the daily look ahead. This is for April 9th, 2025. So kind of set off a firestorm today when Trump came out and said we're going to do 104% tariffs on China. After China fought back, that has really put a wrench in the system. And I've been watching the yuan for quite a long time now and had it breaking out as I showed in the weekly look ahead. I've had it breaking out for quite some time now. So I think China is about ready to see a 40% move in the yuan here coming up. Maybe not right away, but in the coming weeks and months, more than likely. So we're going to watch that, see what happens there. Obviously, if the currency goes down value, it's easier to pay off the debt that they've incurred and yada, yada, yada. Or they decide to work with Trump. We may get something here later on this week where they come out and say, hey, let's see what we can do. That's going to boost markets. Then, as China usually does, they renege on their deals, and we could see markets rotate back down and break and get ourselves a nice little recession here going into the latter part of summer. But let's go ahead and take one step at a time here and see what markets are about ready to do tomorrow. So gold did drop down, but it has since recovered. So we're still looking for a move up higher here. And if we get a lower high, then gold's going to continue down to our target down here about 29.11. So keep an eye on that. It's moving a little slow. It's going sideways. So let's see what happens with it here. And we'll look for that lower target here probably in the next few days. Dixie, okay, so here is a daily. We're going to go down and look at the 4 hour, okay? So the 4 hour, so we can understand what's going on. The 4 hour has pulled back, and we had it. We said last night that it was rolling over. It went down, pulled back, lower high, and now it is rolling over. We're looking for it to go down and touch the 100.43. That may materialize today. Now, Dixie's interesting. If we go out on it, we'll pull a weekly here. This is really what we're looking for here. Here's the large channel. We're just looking for the break down to this bottom channel somewhere in here. Not sure where, but it's probably going to break, bounce, and then break down and come down here and eventually hit 97.42. I've had that target for quite some time now, and then we're going to see a quick recovery in Dixie. So keep that in mind. MNQ, we called that pretty much perfect last night. So we go down here in the 1 hour chart, we see we had this going back up to this high here, which it did, and then rolling over, which it did. And so we're looking for this to go lower. Again, we're probably looking right down here at about a 15,901 area, and eventually coming all the way down to the channel line here at 15,000, okay? So we may do something like this. So just be prepared for this. So we may, come back up tonight like this, and then swing back down tomorrow and break this and retest, and then just move our way down here slowly like this and hit that target. Okay. So just be prepared for the pullbacks to go short on those pullbacks, what we're looking for in NASDAQ. Bitcoin came down, hit support. It's bouncing here, but look for it to go up and then roll back over and break this support. So we are looking for a downside target. Now, obviously, again, it's going to be pull back down, but a downside target in the next few days of about 66,000. So keep an eye on Bitcoin to that level or close to that level. The closest level I have it going to right now is 69,556, somewhere in that zone. So we're looking for Bitcoin to break this. Then you can trade it down to that level. The Dow, yep, same thing. Came up, went a little higher. We had it going a little higher. hit that channel. So if we go down in here, we see that channel it was in, hit that channel a little higher than previous day, but couldn't hold it. And down she goes. Now we're at support and look for a pullback, probably in the European session. So we look for kind of an up move here. And then we look for this down move to ensue. Okay. And target's right around, it's about 34,800. Okay, 34,800. That's kind of what we're looking for the target coming in, but expect a pullback and then move down to that level. All right. So, so far we've been pretty good on the calls. Gold kind of went sideways on us, but gold's a little finicky right now. It's being liquidated, but it's also being acquired. So pretty interesting. But again, tariffs go in effect here. According to my time, they're already in effect because it's off Eastern Standard Time. So the 104% tariff is in effect, and we will just see how that goes for the next few days. Take care. I hope this helps. If you really want to learn how to trade, click the link in the description and come join us for free. See if this is for you. We'll talk to you later. Good luck now.